All right, the stage is set. Let's run the script and see the magic happen. And there it is. Look at that. A message sent from a Google Sheet using Google Apps Script, delivered instantly to your Telegram app. Welcome! In this video, I'm going to guide you, step by step, as we send our very first automated Telegram message from a Google Sheet using Google Apps Script. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this, you'll have unlocked a powerful new communication channel for your application. Let's get started. Step 1. Get a Telegram Gateway API account. Head over to our website and navigate to the subscription page. Here, you'll choose the plan that's right for you, enter your email, and hit subscribe. Step 2. The handshake. This next part is crucial. You need to introduce yourself to your new gateway. First, add that gateway number to your phone's contacts. Then, open your personal Telegram app and send a simple hi to your gateway. Just like that, you'll get an instant confirmation message. This handshake authorizes the gateway to talk to you. It's that simple. Step 3. The magic code. Now for the fun part. We're using this Google Sheet for the demo. We will send a Telegram message to the number specified in cell A2. The message content will be taken from what's in cell B2. To open our editor, go to Extensions, then click Apps Script. To get the sample code, go to the Getting Started page for Telegram Gateway API. Click on Google Apps Script to go to the tutorial page. You will find the sample source code there. Let's copy and paste the code to our Apps Script editor. Before we run the code, we need to customize a few key pieces of information: your instance ID, your client ID, and your client secret. You will find the values for all these in the confirmation email for your subscription. Equally importantly, we need to tell our Apps Script to retrieve the recipient number and message content from our Google Sheet. So, let's uncomment these lines so our script will do the right thing. All right, the stage is set. Let's run the script and see the magic happen. And there it is. Look at that. A message sent from a Google Sheet using Google Apps Script, delivered instantly to your Telegram app. Imagine the possibilities. Alert notifications, daily reports, workflow triggers, all seamlessly integrated. This is the power and simplicity of our API. So, what are you waiting for? This is just the beginning. Don't just watch. Experience it. Click the link in the description below to sign up for a trial account right now. In just a few minutes, you can be sending your own automated messages and see firsthand how you can elevate your projects. Now, go build something amazing.